Using a shutdown shortcut in Windows will allow you to shut down your computer in a single click. And if you want to know more about this, here's what you can try to do. Firstly, in using Windows 8, 10, and 11, create a new desktop shortcut on the desktop. Do it by right-clicking on the desktop, click New, choose Open Shortcut, and this will open the Create a Shortcut window. Now in here, enter the following command, and this will make the computer shut down after a 30-second default timer. But you can always adjust it by adding the following, wherein you can replace this with the number of seconds delay you want prior to shutdown. After that, click Next, then give the shortcut a name, and then click Finish. Once done, you can also change the icon if you want. But if you're using Windows 7, Vista, or XP, create the shutdown button by right-clicking on your desktop, click New, click Shortcut, enter the shutdown command, click Next, type a name for the shortcut, then click Finish. Now that's how you can create the shutdown button on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.